If your shoulder hurts every time you press overhead, I'm going to tell you something that might sound crazy. It's probably not your shoulder. I know, you feel the pain right there in the front of your shoulder when you press. So obviously something's wrong with your shoulder. You've been icing it, stretching it, maybe even avoiding overhead work altogether. Yet, every time you go back to pressing, there it is again. That same pinch, that same ache, that same sharp pain at the top of the movement. Here's what nobody tells you. The real problem isn't where you feel the pain. It's about 6 inches below it. Once you understand this, you'll never look at shoulder pain the same way again. Your shoulder is one of the most mobile joints in your entire body. It's a ball and socket joint designed to move in almost every direction. When you press overhead, there's this beautiful coordination that's supposed to happen. Your shoulder blade, your scapula, is supposed to rotate upward like a tilting platform. When the scapula rotates properly, it gives your arm bone room to move. The arm glides smoothly overhead. No pinching, no pain. Just clean, smooth movement. Here's where it gets weird. Your body has a backup plan for when that scapula can't rotate. That backup plan? It's what's actually destroying your shoulder. When your upper back is stiff, for most people who sit at desks, it is, your scapula gets stuck. It can't rotate upward like it's supposed to. When you try to press overhead, your body says, the scapula won't move, so I'll just shove the arm bone forward in the socket instead. That forward shift? That's where the problem starts. Every single time you press with a stuck scapula, that arm bone shifts forward and pinches the soft tissue trapped between the bones. Your rotator cuff tendons, your bursa, the same tissue, the same spot, rep after rep after rep. Over weeks and months, that tissue gets irritated, inflamed, and eventually starts to break down. That's what you feel on press day. That pinch, that ache, that sharp pain at the top of the movement. Here's the part that changes everything. The reason your shoulder pain keeps coming back no matter what you do, it's because you've been trying to fix the wrong thing. The fix is not your shoulder. Stop icing your shoulder. Stop stretching your shoulder. Stop avoiding overhead pressing. The fix is 6 inches below it. Your upper back, your thoracic spine. When you free up your upper back, your scapula can finally rotate the way it's supposed to. When the scapula rotates, the arm bone stops shifting forward. The pinching stops. The pain disappears. Not because you treated the shoulder, but because you fixed the thing that was causing the shoulder problem in the first place. Think about it. You've been putting a Band-Aid on the smoke alarm while the fire's still burning in the kitchen. The shoulder pain is just the alarm. The stiff upper back? That's the fire. This is why some people can press heavy for years with zero shoulder issues, while others develop pain after just a few months. It's not about how strong you are or how perfect your form looks. It's about whether your upper back can actually move. Once you unlock that, everything changes. The pain goes away. Your pressing gets stronger. You stop worrying about whether your shoulder's going to act up again. Here's what I want you to do. The next time your shoulder acts up on press day, don't look at your shoulder. Look 6 inches below it. Because the answer is almost never where the pain is. It's where the pain came from. If this helped you, hit that follow button. I break down the science behind common gym problems every week. Drop a comment and tell me what to cover next.